working hard for you. Freedom! Keep your ear to the ground. Talking about the freedom. It's the best show in town. Best show in town. Freedom! Well. Everybody, young, old, all you lovers, this is our time to rise back from the sand and claim our freedom. Talking about the freedom, let yourself be free. I'll give you freedom. Yes, it's right.
If you want to,
you don't worry about your seatbelt, man.
Take a sip and help us finish it tonight. I ain't giving you an attitude, so I can tell you're in a bad mood. Little bit, you feeling just right. We can share if you want to. How's your dinner? Thirsty. This is a pickup truck. He picked me up.
Oh, there we are. The TP hot tent and the Land Rover Overlander. Yeah, we went off grid on some dirt tracks near Derwent Water. Awesome. Just learning the capability. But man, got some mud on them tyres. Yeah. And we got the tarp. Our little wood collection. fire on the go. Yeah. Pullers making bread.
We'll do when the water cools down. Flour, yeast.
Yeah. We've got some water we boiled up here. That's cooling down.
Nice bit of truffle oil.
Nice bit of truffle oil. There we go.
Who was that from? Christmas.
Yeah, I should have written down who gave us what, but thank you to whoever gave us that. We've got Raging Fire. There's the bad boys. That's the rock slider. And the snorkel all set up. Sand ladders there up on the roof. We left the jerry cans at home. That's a chainsaw for if we find any wood. We've got just mostly bolt wood, some chopped wood there, and the axe. Probably chop some of them bits up later.
Yeah, do you want to take this knife?
And that, we've got, hang on one sec, at the roof. We've got the roof tent up there. We've got a 4x4 DD tarp. Oh, what's up? You right? Got the tarp coming off the car. Keep us dry because it's drizzling. And there we go. And there. That's it all going on, man. Just a nice little chill out in the woods. Escape the matrix. All the digital shit and the media shit and the political shit that's designed to just crush you, because it doesn't do you any good. All of this comes from Mother Earth, doesn't it? It comes from Mother Earth. It's only us who puts a price on it all. We've got capabilities we could
That did come
produce.
from Mother Earth.
Of course it came from Mother Earth. There we go. Oh,
Here's one I made earlier.
that's looking cool.
Come on, Em.
Yeah.
Oh, let me do the oil.
Yeah, I put some in. Yeah.
We'll spread it.
Spread the love, baby.
Spread the love. Where's the... Oh, yeah,
There we go. Just a little cake tin base at the bottom to try and prevent it burning. And then that sits in there. It's not going on the heat yet. It's just to keep, just to warm up like at room temperature. There.
that's better.
And then, what, that's about half, it's about an hour there, isn't it, in there? And then half hour cooking time, which point we can start prepping the...
No, hold on. Once it's done the hour, then you have to do the same thing again and then do it for another hour.
Fuck
No,
off.
that's why it takes so long. That's what he said when we was watching the other day.
We didn't do that last time.
No, I know, and it wasn't as nice.
It was lush last time. What are you talking about? It was just burnt at the bottom. I say we skip that extra 1 hour.
All right, how about we do it for half an hour? Because that second proofing is really important.
But when you...
If you want that nice fluffy inside and that nice crusty crust.
I want a crusty crust.
And a
'cause,
fluffy
like,
inside.
Up
It's
north,
fluffy.
we don't really get crusty bread, we get stotties.
Eh,
And I would really like some nice crusty bread to go with the... What are we making, babe? Ham hock and white bean or butter bean soup, which is really nice on a kind of... Look at that. There we go. That's our kind of view, except we've got the tarp down a little bit, just because it's drizzling. On off, and yeah, want to keep dry. So that's in there for an hour, yeah?
yep.
What time is it? About 4:30. That's about 5:30. That's 6, 6:30. That'll be cooked, and then we start the
It's 25 to 5 now.
4:30 then.
Yeah.
Yeah. So at 5:30, that's what I'm saying, we skip that bit and we start, because we really need that bread to cook. We could do with 2 Dutch ovens.
I know.
But I'm not going to get 2 Dutch ovens. Just not going to do it. Look at that. Lovely ham hock. It's just hanging over the fire.
Smoking.
Smoking. We're just going to smoke that for...
Let's stick a bit of Jack Daniels on it.
I don't know. What do you reckon? Yeah, let's just pour a tiny bit of Jack Daniels, because I want to make sure I've got some. Okay. Yes. Just for the flavour, you know. It tastes so nice. And that is going to be our ham hock, smoked ham hock, in our white bean and ham hock soup. And to go with it is going to be some lovely bread that we're making. It's just proofing and rising slightly in there. We're going to reproof it. That means kick the shit out of it and roll it again. So yeah, that's what we're going to do in about half an hour, and then eventually, like, you know, years later, we'll cook it. So brilliant, absolutely loving being out in the woods, you know, just freedom. You can't see much, but there is a great big field over there and forests. Now look, Paula's collecting some wood. Keep all the shit going. Let me lower that a bit.
Ouch.
Do you know what I mean? I think maybe lower it a bit.
Can do. The only thing I would say, at some point, you're going to want to put these the other way. If you look, creases there, and I don't know if it's just going to kind of come undone a bit, but I think you're going to have to turn it at some point anyway.
Okay. Well, yeah, we'll just turn it.
Oh.
What do you mean, upside down turn?
Yeah.
Because that's easy to do, isn't it? Let's go get some wood. Oh. A little camp spot here. Oh, nice. Well, that's a lump. There you go.
It actually started to cook.
Yeah.
Need to put it on there and quite a bit because it's actually stuck to it. Where's the...
Grease proof.
Yeah.
Do you want the olive oil on?
Yeah.
Do you want?
The greaseproof paper. Maybe it's double it over even. And then put a bit of maybe truffle oil on that. Yeah. She's ready to go. Yeah. Now,
There's a knife there.
aren't we leaving it to proof again?
Do you not score it when you're pre?
No.
No? Okay.
I just want it's ready to cook.
Yeah, right. I think we just get this. Okay. Right. I haven't started this up for bloody ages. Let's see now.
Almost. And your engine lumberjack shirt on and all.
Yeah. That just weren't opening.
Thing is, when you put it up to proof, you then, after the second time, you just put it on, don't you? So it's already big.
Yeah, I thought you'd give it another round.
Only if you're going to put it back on to proof though, isn't it? I don't know now.
I think it needs kneading in.
The thing is, when you're kneading, when you're doing that, you're talking about, you're actually pushing all the air out of it.
Yeah.
So that then you put it on to rise again.
For half an hour.
Oh, right, okay.
Yeah, what do you reckon?
Yeah.
Half an hour would do it?
Yeah?
Or not?
Well, it's better than nothing, yeah.
No, I wouldn't say do it for nothing, but would you say half an hour would be okay?
I would have thought so. That's what I'm saying. It's better than not doing it at all.
Yeah, okay. Do it that way then.
Okay. At least my hands are so clean.
Okay, cool. I just think this meat needs going down because...
Have a look, see how it's cooking.
I mean, it's not, it's just smoking really, isn't it? So yeah, I'll have to get the light out soon, won't I?
I need the flour, don't I?
Yeah.
I will need to put it, what am I cooking it in?
In that?
Yeah, but is it going in the tin first?
Well, we have to go in the
No, I'd just say just do it like that. Oh, it's actually gone hard. Need some more olive oil. because it's sticking out, and that's freaking hot.
What do we do with it? Oh.
Really need a hard log to do it on, don't you?
Yeah, it's just bouncing on the ground. Okay, so some little steak or minced beef and onion pies there. Just keep us going well. Yeah.
Now I'm doing this slowly.
Okay. Cooking on the wood.
Steadiest.
Move that. That's it. So that meat's kind of got to go on that now. So I'm just going to put.
Be careful because it's falling apart and it will just fall.
Yeah. So that meat can come off and just sit on there. That's it. Yeah. And that just carry on slowly. Yeah. Just slowly smoking before it goes into the Dutch oven once the bread's cooked. So, do you want to score the bread? That was what you was going to do. Let's see how well that's risen.
Ooh.
Perfect.
How many?
One straight down the middle. Oh, that's very
Sinky.
sinky, ain't it? What's that mean?
I don't know.
Well, give it a score. Give it a score as best you can, and then I
did. No.
Okay.
It's very doughy still.
So what's that mean?
I have no idea. You just asked me that. I have no idea. Guess we'll find out soon.
Does that mean it's not ready to go? No, it is. Let's stick it above. Let's stick it above here, babe.
I can't put the knife down. Where's the thingy? The sheath.
The sheath. I'm going to use it to. There we go. Nice. And then I would get them tongs.
Yes, James.
And bang some that shit on top.
Well, I've actually...
You got some ready made, have you? Perfect.
Bricks.
Oh, what? Wow. Do they stay warm enough though? Do they stay warm long enough even? Because they're not like coals though, are they?
They're still, it's like bricks.
I would put some...
I'm going to put...
some of that stuff on and I'll... Yeah, definitely. There's loads of it underneath. But that's...
Oh, it's a rock. Look at that.
Perfect. Wow, that's red hot, man. Careful with that. Yeah, hang on.
Alright.
That should do it, man. Right. There we go. Perfect. And here, you're now going to start. That bread will take about, what, half an hour?
Yeah.
We're going to chop up some...
I didn't like the way it did that, I must admit.
What? Oh, careful, we got the pies here still.
I'm just trying to get another...
That's it, a few little bits like
That's
that.
what I was trying to do.
Yeah. A bit hard to pick up like little bits, aren't they? That's perfect, man. Tell you what, I think that fire needs building up a bit more with some wood. I mean, not too much because we don't want it to burn, do we? I think that's. Do you think I should lower it?
What? Lower what?
The bread. The cauldron.
Not doing too well, is it?
I'm just thinking. It feels like it needs to be lower down. It feels like it almost needs to be on it.
I know what you mean. I'm gonna just.
Yeah, look. There's no heat up here. I would rather put that down here, look. Chopped onion. We're going to do some garlic and celery. With the ham hock still smoking away there over the fire, and the bread is in the Dutch oven. And what are you going to do now? You're just going to
Put the kettle on.
put the kettle on, Polly.
Okay.
And
I'll let you call me that today.
yeah, we're gonna warm some water for the soup because that was nearly be ready to cook. Yeah, I'll just fill up the kettle with not about three.
How do I open the boot?
By the door handle on the boot.
It's already open.
There you go. Made it all easy for you, babe. It's because I love you.
Thanks. Oh.
Needs a lot more doing.
Yep.
Right, where's the hole?
Where's the what?
Hole.
Need to get some coals on there.
Yep.
Because at the minute you've got raw meat on top of what you're about to cook.
It's all going to cook, isn't it?
That's true, yeah.
Doesn't matter. So, let's let that all warm up a little bit. I feel like we need some cooking music on. There we go. Nice truffle oil. And what we've got in here, some onion, roughly chopped garlic, like that size, and roughly chopped onion. I'm just going to fire that, and the ham is going to go in, and then we're going to put in these little babies.
That
And
kettle, do you want to salt? Oh.
Look at that, pre-soaked butter beans, thyme and bay leaves, and that is it. Salt, pepper, water. We'll make
If
a
it ever
soup.
boils.
It'll boil. Right, so look at that,
The
see?
scissor went off.
It is.
You got the scissors.
I would just pour a teeny little bit of water in.
It must be warm at least.
Just so that kind of sautés. Ouch, really hot. Okay. for 5 minutes, and then we'll put in the ham hock. There we go. That's brilliant. Right, so got the onions, garlic and celery cooking up. Oh, it's starting to smell as well. That water did it. Putting in that bit of water just helps soften it up. Right, so take this bit of meat down and take them off the hooks. There you go. Just that little.
Not cleaning with utensils.
Okay. It ain't got COVID. We wiped the COVID off. Do you remember when they put the disinfectant things kills COVID as well, weren't it?
Yeah.
So, and then, yeah, just drink bleach. Wicked.
Just drink bleach.
You know, so if they could kill the COVID bug off the surfaces,
Yeah, I've got that spray at home and that says kills COVID.
yeah, kills COVID. So there are ways of killing it well before the vaccine. If I ever met
Doesn't
them.
kill it.
Right. Look at that, that's been nicely smoked as well, hasn't it? Look at that. Cook on the fat side, and I'm just going to throw in a bit of water, and then literally in here we've got butter beans. So, I'm just gonna, where's my spatula gone? There it is. I'm gonna put these bits of herbs out the way for now.
From the gardens.
In the gardens. I'm just thinking I should that was a little bit too much.
You take them out.
Fuck it. I don't know. It's in now. Thanks with the meat. Just gonna put some water in. Okay. Oh, try not to put the fire.
Yeah,
out.
that's a good idea.
There we go, look.
It's cooking. It's going to go in the fire.
There we go. Possibly. What do you reckon? A little bit too much butter beans?
Just a touch.
I think I should take some out.
Do you think you should take some out?
You made that sound like I should.
Did I?
Yeah. I'll have to do a rescue mission now, aren't I? These are only getting chucked though.
Yeah, that's alright. Give them to the birds.
Birds eat butter beans now, do they?
I don't know. If they grow, they probably do. Try not to make the...
I'm trying not to melt it.
That'll do.
There we go. Oh, you know what I forgot to put in? Oh, what I haven't forgotten because I just remembered. was the chicken stock.
You might want to try and straighten that up a little bit in case the water bubbles over into the fire.
Yeah, I will do.
If all else fails, you've got pot noodles.
Yeah. Yeah, there. It's got to be, hasn't it? And here we go. That's our... yeah. Nice and cosy. Got an air bed on a full thing, insulating mat, sleeping bags, another mat on top of the air mattress. We've got the log burner keeping us nice and toasty. Nice wood. And here we've got the soup cooking. We have bread and a bit of whiskey. Cool. Yeah, it's Saturday night.